Spicy. You spicy?
Why do you feel the need to always attack me? And I'm gonna go lay back down. Do not attack me. But Sunny, please.